What's up, guys? Corey here with GNCRC, and today we have an unboxing video. Today's unboxing is from DRC on Amazon. That's DERC. So we're gonna jump right into this and get this thing unboxed. So that is the company. I don't know if they pronounce it DRC. I don't know exactly how they pronounce it, but that is the company. Full scale, differential time 2.4 gigahertz radio, rechargeable battery, 4-wheel drive car, shock absorbers. Ages 8 plus. That is their website. And again, like I say, they can be found on Amazon. That is the model that I have. And this is what we're going to be looking at. This is a 1/10 scale. Nice little carry pouch. See what we have here. We have a little brush to clean it off after you've been running it. We have a charger, well, 2 chargers, and a tool and hardware set. A little pamphlet about the battery. We have a manual, the radio, steering and speed, on and off, 2.4 gigahertz. Let's see. It looks like it uses 3 AA batteries. We have a lithium ion battery, and this is a 7.4 2-cell, 1500 milliamps. Oh wow, 2 bodies. And one has the same stock tire mounted to it. And look like this body also has a feature for lights. Pretty cool. Second body. And the truck itself. Actually a pretty cool looking truck. Nice soft compound on the tires. Nice hard plastic chassis with a metal plate right here. Nice bumper. Let's go ahead and get the body pins out of this thing and check it out. Additional battery. So it comes with 2 batteries. 2 bodies. Servo with the servo horn right here. It's in a pretty good location. And this looks like an all-in-one ESC with a 540 can with a heat sink on it. I'm gonna say these are oil field shocks. We'll get into it at some point. We'll open it and check it out. It has lights in the bumper as well. Nice. So I do like the fact they give you 2 bodies. Plugging up the lights is really easy. The length of the cable is quite a bit of length, so it's easy to plug it in there and get the body on. Servo seems like it's pretty strong. Battery has been charged. Pretty smooth. All right, guys, so we're gonna get a charge on both of these batteries and we're gonna take it out and get some runs on it. And we're gonna come back and let you know what I think, and I wanna see what you guys think in the comments below.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been the way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I ride through the climb, I invite pain. You never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Alright guys, that was a running video of the DRC9201E. So my thoughts on this particular truck: smooth. That's the word. It is super smooth. That's one of the things that my nephew noticed about when he was driving. It is super smooth. You cannot beat how smooth it is. And the fact that it comes with two bodies, you can't beat that either. I mean, it's just one of those things that I wasn't expecting. When I took this body off, the other body was right underneath it, as you guys saw. And I don't think you can beat that. The tires, they're great tires. They're good tires. As I mentioned earlier, you have lights here and you have lights here as well. And the light just plugs into here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully you can see that. Right in that little area right above my thumb. Just plug right into there. But this thing was super smooth. It ran real good on the grass. I got a little bit of video of that. It did pretty well on the grass. It actually did real well on the grass. This particular model, the radio is just like, it's light, easy to transport. You got your steering and your speed. That's the only thing that you have on here. Of course, you know, steering and your throttle. But really simple. If anybody want to get into RC, this would be a great first vehicle for anybody. My nephew grabbed it. It was very stable. It was very stable. And when I say this thing is smooth, it is really smooth. Like, I mean, you barely even hear this thing when it's going. It's that smooth. And looking at this, if you guys did want to upgrade it at some point, you can just pull that motor out, stick your another motor in there, and put your another ESC and a different type of battery. Servo as well. It's not going to set any records for speed, but it is fast out of the box. It has real good speed with it out of the box, and it's real smooth. That's the thing about this thing. I mean, it is really smooth. For what it is, the suspension is great. For the price, you're not going to beat the price. This is going to be a great starter vehicle for anybody that want to get into the hobby and they don't want to spend an arm and a leg and they just want to get into it to see how much they may like it or may not like it. You can't go wrong with one of these, and they actually look pretty good. I'm going to put a link in the description to this model, and I'm also going to put a code there where you're going to get an additional 10% off the price of this vehicle. Thank you for always checking out the videos, and I want to thank DRC for sending this out to me as well. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC.